Hey, it's Mac. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, this is my Ducky Shine 7 mechanical gaming keyboard. What I'm going to do for today's video is going to clean it and relubed it. Okay, let's go ahead and do a time lapse of removing all the keycaps here. I'm just gonna go and clean it ahead for now. As you can see, that some parts are really grimy, dirty. There's a lot of dust build up here. It's not that much, but I still see it sometimes whenever I see the RGB. I'm going to use Crytox GPL205G0. I bought it from Monkey Kids. If you're interested, go ahead and check the description below. Now, I'm not going to show you guys how I did relube all the switches, but stay at the end. I'm gonna do a sound test of the unloop and loop switches and the typing test also. And if you're still interested in this kind of videos, just let me know in the comment section below, and thank you guys for tuning in.